Hello students, welcome to Sagar College of Science. So last previous class रे हमें discuss करूँ Mendel's laws of inheritance and first law we have completed. First law टा कौन थिला? Law of dominance and different deviations. So Mendel's first law रो different deviations भी हमें discuss कर सारिथिलु. So आज के class रे हमें discuss करिवा Mendel's second law, that is law of segregation of gametes. So let's start with law of segregation of gametes. Law of segregation of gametes. Okay. So segregation of gametes माने कौन? And the law टा आसिला कोउटु. This second law बा segregation of gametes एटा Mendel's रो monohybrid cross रो आछि. Monohybrid cross हमें discuss कर सालोनी कि monohybrid cross हमें कहाँ को कहवा? So it is a cross between two parents that involving only one character. यदि गोटे single character को नेकी cross करा जाए, then it is called as monohybrid. Okay. So monohybrid cross रो पुनी first generation थिला F1 generation. F1 generation रो जो law टा derive ही थिला, that is law of dominance. So law of dominance कौन कहूँ? In this law, when factors occur in heterozygote condition, then only one factor will express, that is your dominant factor, and the factor who is fails to express, that is your recessive factor. Then Mendel कौन कले जो F1 रो monohybrid आसिला ताको selfing कले. Selfing कला पर जो next generation आसिला ताको हमें कही परिवा कि it is your F2 generation. F2 generations रे जो phenotypic ratio आसिला, that is the dominant is to recessive, tall is to short at the ratio of 3:1, and this is your F2 phenotypic ratio. From this F2 generation of the monohybrid cross, the second law is derived, that is the law of segregation of gametes. Okay, so segregation of gametes कौन कहूँ? The law states that during production of gametes, okay, during gamete production, the factors that occurs in pairs, they separate from each other and enters into respective gametes. So during gamete production जो paired factor ता थिला समाने separate होचुंदी, segregate होचुंदी, and then enters into individual gametes. That is law of segregation of gametes. So statement कौन कहूची? During gamete production, during gamete production, factors that occurs in pairs, segregate माने कौन रे? segregate or separate from each other, ठीक अच्छी. सेपरेट है पर कौन आवो? The factor enters into each gamete. Okay. ताले कौन आवो? Each gamete containing only one factor out of a pair. So प्रत्येक gamete रे गुटे factor रही, only one factor is present. That is why the gametes are pure. So each gamete receives only one factor out of a pair. तो जो paired factor टा थिला, they separate from each other, they segregate from each other, and only one factor enters into each gamete for each character, for each trait. Okay. Now, so gametes are pure. Why? Because it containing only one gametes. Okay, the gametes are pure because the gamete containing only one factor. That is why this is called as law of purity of gametes. This second law is also called as, this is also called as what? Law of purity of gametes. Gametes are pure, and this is the only law of the Mendel which is universally accepted. Okay, this law is universally accepted. Universally accepted law. Okay, so every scientist of the world accept this law. It has no deviation, it has no violations. ए law रे किसी भी exception नहीं, किसी भी व्यतिक्रम नहीं. That is why all the scientists at the time are convinced. They convinced this law is pure. This law is universal. This is accepted by all. Okay, so ako हम explain करिबा. Okay, the next part, explanation of the second law. So during gamete production, what happens? Factors will separate. Okay, the factors are separated during gamete production, and the gametes are formed in equal proportion, equal ratio. You can note that point also. Gametes are produced. Gametes are produced in equal proportion, equal ratio, equal proportion. ता माने कोन? एग्जांपल नबा गोटे मोनो हाइब्रिड क्रॉस रो. For example, this is a mono hybrid cross, and in the mono hybrid cross what happens? This is my F1 hybrid. This is my F1 mono hybrid. Okay, when the F1 mono hybrid is selfed, F1 mono hybrid plant को हमें selfing करिबा, self cross करिबा. So before selfing what happens? This is the tall plant, hybrid tall, and the first step is what? Production of gametes. During gamete production, the type of cell division is meiosis. This is meiosis. Okay, and the process is production of gametes. So in gamete production, the factors are separated. Here I am having a pair of factors. So it is a pair factors achieve, and the pair containing two different factors or alleles. This is my dominant factor and this is my recessive factor. These two factors are separated. So अबे कौन आवा? So this is one of the factor, dominant factor and recessive factors are separated, enters into its gamete. Enters into its gamete. You can see gamete containing only one factor out of the pair. That is why the gametes are pure. So here gametes are also produced in equal proportion, equal ratio. So 50% of my gamete containing dominant factor, rest जो 50% रहिला, it containing my recessive factor. Okay, so factors are produced in equal proportion at 50-50 ratio, or you can note half of the gametes are containing dominant factor, half of the gamete containing my recessive factors. So these gametes are produced in equal ratio. So after that, it is selfed. This F1 hybrid is selfed. ako selfing hame kale. Selfing re kon हुए? So it is the pollination, or it is the transfer of the pollen from anther to the stigma of same flower. So last previous lecture रे हम discuss करूथुली कि पी रो जो flower टा अछि, it is a bisexual flower. Bisexual means the flower containing both sex organ, the male sex organ androecium, the female sex organ, that is your gynoecium. If it is a bisexual flower, then the self-pollination is possible. The pollen grain from the anther transferred to the stigma of the same flower. Okay, so selfing re kon haba? After selfing, this plant after selfing, selfing pare kon hochi ame dekhiba. Selfing mane kon? As it is a bisexual flower, it containing 4 holes: gynoecium, androecium, then corolla, then calyx. Calyx and corolla are the sterile holes. they do not take part in the process of gamete production. These are not fertile holes. Fertile holes are my androecium and my gynoecium. Is it clear? So gynoecium bhitre kon hotubo the male gamete production, and here in androecium male gamete production is there. Gynoecium will produce female gametes, androecium will produce my male gametes. Is it clear? Now, so आ भितरी जो gamete production हबो, these are my female gametes. Androecium रे जो production हबो, कौन production हबो? Male gamete production हबो. तो आ भितरी भी genotypic combination टाया दिव, capital T small t. Androecium रे जो genotype combination थी वो same combination, capital T small t. Why? They belong to same flower. So एठी जते बेले gamete production हबो, factor separation हबो, तो आर भी factor separate होउची in the female gametes. Two types of gametes are formed here. In the male, it also produces two types of gametes. So capital factor, dominant factor is separated, recessive factor is again separated here. So the ratio देखिवा equal proportion. This is 50% gamete capital T, 50% gamete recessive factor, 50% in male that is dominant, 50% in male that is also dominant. Gametes are separated with equal ratio. Ebe kon ab anko bhitre transfer of pollen grain from the anther is transferred to the stigma. So etu jo pollen grain ta transfer habo to gynoecium to stigma. So kon ab the fusion of gametes. Male gamete and female gamete will combine. That process is fertilization. So fertilization रे कौन हुए allelic combinations हुए. तो आपको जानिया पाए हमें Punnett square नबा. Punnett square रे कौन हुए. So इठी हमें गोटे Punnett square draw करिवा. So let me draw a Punnett square for you. Punnett square आउ गोटे भी ना अच्छी. That is your checkerboard. So it is a square board. It is a square diagram to check the genotype. Hence this is called a checkerboard. Checkerboard रे कौन थी वो. It is a square diagram. This is a square diagram containing 4 boxes here. For monohybrid cross, 4 boxes are there. Box बाहर कौन रहेगा? Gametes रहेगा. Suppose these are my male gametes. Male gametes रे कौन कौन आस्तेला? Capital T, dominant factor and recessive factor. Female gamete also produce dominant factor as well as recessive factors. Factors are separated from each other. Then these places are the site of fertilization. So एठी कौन हबो? Gametic fusion, allelic combination. So एटा को जदि हमें combine करेवा, this is one combination. So एठी गोटे second possible combination is heterozygote. Third possible combination, and this is my fourth possible combination. Genotypes are ready for you. तो आपको हमें जदि synchronize करेवा genotypic ratio. Genotypic ratio कौन आस्तेला? That is your capital T is to capital T small t heterozygote, and this is homozygous recessive. Ratio केते आस्तेला? This is 1/4, 25%. 1/2, 50%. It is again 1/4 or 25%. This is the ratio, genotypic ratio. F to phenotypic ratio कौन आसीबो? Phenotypic ratio, that means the external character. कौन कौन character आसला? Tall is to short. Ratio, this is my tall, this is tall, this is tall. 3 tall plants are there and 1 short plant is there. Ratio is 3:1. So 3 out of 4 tall, 1 out of 4 that is short. 70%, 75% जो plants आसिबो, these are my tall plants, and only 25% plants are short plants. That is phenotypic ratio. तो ये ठीक है देखिए हमें कि genotypic ratio रो जो combination आसला, that is 1/4 is to 1/2 is to 1/4, or simply this is not this is 2/4, or you can write 1/2. This is 2/4. So our ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 1. This is the genotypic ratio. Okay. This is the F to genotypic ratio. ताकू आमे जदि मैथमेटिकली एक्सप्रेस करिवा, so it can be a condensable form. ताकू आमे condense करि परिवा genotypic ratio टाको, it is mathematically condensable. Mathematically it is condensable. सेटा condense हेले कोन हे जिवो binomial expansion. Binomial expansion रे कोन हे जिवो ax plus by square. Okay, x टा कोन dominant factor, y is my recessive factor. Okay, the x is my dominant factor and y, that is my recessive factor. Okay, and we are coefficients. A is the coefficient of dominant factor and B is the coefficient of recessive factor. So एठी आमे देखुचे कोन जीनोटाइपिक रेशियो. जीनोटाइपिक रेशियो रे कोन आसु डोमिनेंट इज टू रिसेसिव. डोमिनेंट रिसेसिव केते आसुची इटी पुट करिवा. डोमिनेंट इज 1/4, रिसेसिव इज आल्सो 1/4. सो एठी आमे पुट करि परिवा कि 1/4 dominant factor is t plus 1/4 recessive factor is my small t r square आमे नब. ओके, तो डिराइव करिवा 1/4 कैपिटल T प्लस 1/4 recessive t को मल्टीप्लाई करिवा. स्क्वायर अछि माने मल्टीप्लाई हे जिवो 1/4 कैपिटल T प्लस 1/4 recessive t multiply. So इटा को हम मल्टीप्लाई करबा आ सहित कोन हे जो इट इज देन 1/4 tt, then this is with recessive t plus 1/4 heterozygote plus again this one and this one 1/4, that is hybrid, last one recessive and recessive. So this combination will become 1/4 homozygous recessive combination. So याकूट के यदि हम ऐड अप कर दबा दिटा फैक्टर्स को ऐड करले कोन बाहरिबो. This is 1/4 homozygous dominant, and then this is 2/4. This is 2/4 heterozygote, again 1/4 homozygote conditions. This is clear. So this theorem, this genotypic ratio is mathematically condensable form and it is condensed into binomial expansion. This is clear. Okay. So next part, the next part is how to calculate the types of genotypes in a dihybrid cross. Monohybrid cross is so easy. Types of gamete बाहर करिया पई किछि टेक्निक्स अछि, किछि शॉर्टकट फार्मूला अछि. So formulas for gamete production. How to calculate types of gamete. Formula for types of gametes. Gametes केते प्रकार बाहरिबो ता पई गोटे फार्मूला अछि, and the formula is 2 to the power n, where n equal to number of heterozygotes, number of heterozygotes. For example, गोटे simple cross आमे नबा monohybrid रो. This is the genotype of a plant. First example. So एठु केतेटा गैमेट बाहरिबा हम केमते जानिबा. Here number of heterozygote माने एठी केतेटा heterozygote, it is only one heterozygote. So 2 to the power 1, that is number of gamete equal to 2. कौन कौन गैमेट बाहर या सेग्रीगेट करो गोटे डोमिनेंट फैक्टर आसीबो आ गोटे रिसेसिव आसीबो दीज आर माय टू गैमेट्स फॉर एग्जांपल गोटे डाई हाइब्रिड आमे नबा डाई हाइब्रिड रे केमति बाहरिबो गैमेट देखिबा नंबर 2 एग्जांपल दिस इज ए डाई हाइब्रिड माने कोन टू कैरेक्टर्स एट द सेम टाइम छोटा गोटे हाइब्रिड आसला दिस इज ए मोनो हाइब्रिड दिस इज द सेकंड मोनो हाइब्रिड सो दीटा मोनो हाइब्रिड इक्वल टू वन डाई हाइब्रिड सो गैमेट केते बाहरिबो द फॉर्मूला इज 2 to the power n again where n equal to 2 n equal to 2 and 2 to the power 2 equal to 4 is it clear a good example I mean third example that is your tt and rr so is agar केमते गैमेट बाहरिबो so एटा गोटे फैक्टर पेयर फैक्टर दिस इज अनदर पेयर फैक्टर बट फॉर्मूला अछि हमर कोन टू कैलकुलेट द टाइप्स ऑफ गैमेट्स 2 to the power n again so it is 2 to the power n equal to number of heterozygote and here n equal to 0 कोठी भी heterozygote नहीं so this is homozygous dominant this is my homozygous recessive so both characters are homozygote condition so heterozygotes are 0 nil here 2 to the power 0 2 to the power 0 equal to something to the power 0 equal to 1 so it kete types of gamete bahari only one types of gamete is there t and r only one types of gametes will be produced here why heterozygotes are absent so gametes equal to 2 to the power number of heterozygotes your heterozygotes number is 0 2 to the power something 2 to the power 0 equal to 1 is it clear next thing one more example the fourth example माने कर गोटे ट्राई हाइब्रिड आमे नबा ट्राई हाइब्रिड रे किमति बाहरिबो ओके द फोर्थ एग्जांपल दैट इज नंबर ऑफ गैमेट इन ए ट्राई हाइब्रिड जीनोटाइपिक रेशियो this is my genotypic ratio or this is my genotype okay genotype is there this is genotype of a plant तो एठू केतेडा गैमेट्स बाहरिबो सो हम फर्स्ट देखिबा कि केतेटा हेटेरोजाइगोट अछि सो ये गोटे हेटेरोजाइगोट हे परिबो फर्स्ट पेयर इज हेटेरोजाइगोट दिस इज वन मोर हेटेरोजाइगोट एटा गोटे कोन हला तीनटा हेटेरोजाइगोट ताको हम ट्राई हाइब्रिड भी कहि परिबा इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज ट्राई हाइब्रिड clear that means gamete ro formula kon 2 to the power n da kon number of heterozygote is 3 here n equal to 3 number of heterozygote 3 so 2 to the power 3 equal to 8 so एठी कते टाइप रो गैमेट बारिबो 8 कोन कोन गैमेट्स बारिबो ताको हम एठी डिस्कस करिबा so number of gamete is ready बट कौन कौन गैमेट्स को टाइप्स रो गैमेट बारियो तार कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ आलेली कोन हम सेटा हम देखिबा सो गैमेट्स रो टाइप जानिया पय गोटे मेथड अछि दैट मेथड इज कॉल्ड एज फॉर्क लाइन मेथड दिस मेथड इज कॉल्ड एज फॉर्क लाइन मेथड ओके सो फर्स्ट गोटा हम एग्जांपल लबा फ्रॉम डाई हाइब्रिड क्रॉस नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल गोटा नबा ट्राई हाइब्रिड क्रॉस सेठी कोन होछि गोटे जीनोटाइप मु लिखिबी दिस इज प्लांट हैविंग जीनोटाइप ए एंड बी सो एटा कोन हो इट इज अ डाई हाइब्रिड दीटा हेटेरोजाइगोट अछि सो इट इज अ डाई हाइब्रिड प्लांट रो जीनोटाइप एटा होबा कथा केते सो गैमेट केतेडा बाहरी रो कथा गैमेट इक्वल टू 2 to the power n where n equal to 2 so here 2 to the power 2 that is equal to 4 types of gametes will be there but से चारटा gametes कौन हो ताको जानिया पय हम कौन यूज करिबा फॉर्क लाइन मेथड सेट देखो डाई हाइब्रिड अछि गोटे डाई हाइब्रिड माने टू मोनो हाइब्रिड्स दीटा मोनो हाइब्रिड जा गोटे डाई हाइब्रिड से तो एठी हम देखिबा यूजिंग फॉर्क लाइन मेथड्स सो फर्स्ट हम कौन करिबा दीटा मोनो हाइब्रिड को अलगा कर दबा वेरी सिंपल गोटे कॉइन को दी थर टॉस करिबा जा दीटा कॉइन को थरे थरे टॉस करिबा से सेम थिंग ओके सो एमती बाहर करिबा फास्ट आमे गुटे मोनो हाइब्रिड नेले कैपिटल ए स्मॉल ए दिस इज कैपिटल ए एंड स्मॉल ए ओके सो ड्यूरिंग गैमेट प्रोडक्शन फैक्टर्स आर सेपरेटेड सेठी भाई मुटे अलगा अलगा लिखि देली फैक्टर्स आर सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम ईच अदर सो ये गुटे मोनो हाइब्रिड हे गला सेकंड मोनो हाइब्रिड होची कैपिटल बी स्मॉल बी सो फॉर्क लाइन मेथड कोन दिस इज फॉर्क लाइन मेथड तो सेकंड जो मोनो हाइब्रिड थिला कैपिटल बी एंड स्मॉल बी दीज फैक्टर्स आर आल्सो सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम ईच अदर so every paired factors are separated from each other and gamete containing only one factor तो एबे जो गैमेट बाहरिबो गैमेट रे कोन हबो प्रत्येक पेयर्ड फैक्टर रो from each pair of factors the gamete will receive only one factor so ये गुटे पेयर्ड फैक्टर अछि सो एठो गुटे फैक्टर रिसीव करिवो ये गुटे पेयर्ड फैक्टर अछि आ देर गुटे फैक्टर से रिसीव करिवो गैमेट so gamete will contain only one factor of each character so प्रत्येक कैरेक्टर को कंट्रोल करिया पई जो पेयर्ड फैक्टर अछंती ड्यूरिंग गैमेट प्रोडक्शन all factors are separated each pair factors are separated and the gamete will contain each factor gamete will contain only one factor from each character okay from each character only one factors will come to each gamete so this is a pair factor this is another pair factors so gamete will containing what here the combination is so one factor from A one factor from B this part is clear so this is my gamete first gamete second one factor from A and recessive factor from B this is my second gamete third gamete recessive A and capital B this is my third gamete fourth gamete is recessive and recessive B this is my fourth gamete okay so here we have seen four types of gametes are formed according to the formula 2 to the power 2 equal to 4 four types of gametes and these are the my possible gametes these are my possible gametes so one gamete is AB second gamete is this is third gamete is this one and fourth gamete is this one these are my four 1 2 3 and 4 possible gametes are formed here this part is clear माने कर हम गोटे ट्राई हाइब्रिड रे पुट करिबा ट्राई हाइब्रिड रे पुट कले कोन आसीबो टाइप्स ऑफ गैमेट्स यूजिंग द फॉर्क लाइन मेथड एक्सप्लेनेशन करिबा केमते बाहर होची नाउ the tri hybrid plant naba the plant with genotype plant ro genotype ta kon अछि देखिबा capital A small a capital B small b capital C and small c सेटा गोटे कोन हबो ट्राई हाइब्रिड हबो तीनटा वेक्टर अछंती तीनटा कैरेक्टर दिस इज वन कैरेक्टर दिस इज वन कैरेक्टर दिस इज वन कैरेक्टर सो इट इज माय ट्राई हाइब्रिड गैमेट केते बाहरिबा कथा गैमेट इक्वल टू अगेन 2 टू द पावर n कोन नंबर ऑफ हेटेरोजाइगोट सो एई जो जीनोटाइप रे केतेटा हेटेरोजाइगोट अछि तमे फास्ट ताको नोट करो सो एटा गोटे हेटेरोजाइगोट हबो कि नै यस इट इज वन हेटेरोजाइगोट दिस इज वन हेटेरोजाइगोट दिस इज आल्सो हेटेरोजाइगोट माने कोन फैक्टर्स आर नॉट सिमिलर फैक्टर्स आर नॉट आइडेंटिकल जदि गोटे पेयर फैक्टर भितरे दुईटा जाको फैक्टर डिफरेंट हेथिबो then that is heterozygote so it ketara is heterozygote tinta heterozygote hochi se formula is 2 to the power n equal to number of heterozygote here n equal to 3 so iti ame dekhu che ki tinta heterozygote achanti so formula 2 to the power 3 that is equal to 8 so number of gametes should be 8 but kon se 8 ta gamete baharibo ताको ame केमते कैलकुलेट करिबा यूजिंग अगेन फॉर्क लाइन मेथड्स so fork line method use करिबा फॉर्क लाइन मेथड रे केमति बाहर करा जेवो ये जो तीनटा मोनो हाइब्रिड अछंती ताको अलगा अलगा कर दवा ओके सो फर्स्ट वन कैपिटल A and small a separated from each other then Second one रे कौन आसिला B and B are separated from each other, so एठी भी गुटे थिबो B and B are separated. Third factor separate करिवा capital C small c, capital C small c, capital C and small c, capital C and small c. Okay, so this is Forkline method. Now possible gametes combinations. Gametic combination एटा आसिला एठी गुडा आसीबो ये गुडा आसीबो. Now combine the factors. So प्रत्येक character गोटे गोटे factor आसीबो to each gamete. That is why gametes are pure. Only one factor of each character will enter to each gametes. So ये गोटे paired factors. This is second pair factors. This is my third pair factors. Okay. So गोटे गोटे factor आसिला first combination. This is one factor A and one factor from B, one factor from C. This is one gamete. Second gamete कौन आसिबो capital A, capital B and small c. Third gamete कौन आसिबो capital A, small b and capital C. Capital A, small b and capital C. Fourth one capital A, small b recessive C. Capital A, small b and recessive C. Then small a, capital B and capital C. Small a, caps B and caps C. Now small a, caps B and small c. Small a, caps B and small c. Next small a, small b and cap C. Small a, small b, cap C. Small a, small b and small c. So now you can see easily the 8 gametes are produced. Sure. So ita gote gametic combination hai gala. First, second, third, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This part is clear. So how to calculate the types of gametes? That is 2 to the power n number of heterozygote. And types of gametes, कौन gametes बारिबो that you can easily make through Forkline methods. Forkline method use करिकरी आमे gametic combination पाई परिबा, but number of gametes पाया पाई हेला हम कौन करिया पड़ी? Put the formula that is 2 to the power n. यदि heterozygote 9, then 2 to the power 0. That is 1. Okay. So I think this is clear to everybody. Next part. So gamete production जଣା पड़ला. So आ गुटे question मुदे भी हेबे. Next question, types of gametes. Suppose the plant with genotype, plant having genotype, genotype ta कौन अच्छी? Capital A, capital B, capital B, small c, capital D, small d, and this is the combination. ସେଇଠି ଆମେ ବାହାର କରିବା number of gametes. Sure, केमती बाहर करि परिबा number of gametes equal to formula is there, that is again 2 to the power n, where n equal to number of heterozygotes. So ये जो genotype रे केतेटी heterozygote हम first count करिबा. So एटा heterozygote हबो कि नहीं? No. एटा heterozygote हबो? Yes. This is heterozygote. Yes. This is not heterozygote. So heterozygote केतेटा मिलला हमको? दुईटा मिलला. And these two are homozygote. This is homozygous dominant, this is homozygous recessive, and these two are heterozygote. So how many heterozygotes are there? Only 2 heterozygotes are there. So formula here it is 2 to the power 2 and number of gametes is 4. So this is clear to everyone. How to calculate the number of gametes from the genotype? Here formula is there 2 to the power n. So you just count the number of heterozygote, put in the formula 2 to the power number of heterozygotes, you will get the number of gametes. This is clear? Okay. Next part. So the law of segregation is clear. That is called as law of purity of gametes. Then we will go to my third law of Mendel, that is law of independent assortment. Law of independent assortment कौन कहूची? third law or law of independent assortment. Okay, so this is the third law of Mendel. Assortment means arrangement or sorting. Okay, assortment means what? Arrangement. Independent means not dependent. Okay, so in a plant there are several characters are there, and for each character one paired factor is responsible. So during the gamete production times रे कौन अब जेतिकी paired factors थे for each character, all the paired factors are separated from each other. See जो separation of each pair factors or separation, the first pair factor will separate independently of the second pair factors. Second pair factor जो separation of that is independent of other pair of factors. मने करे गोटे example आमे नवा, गोटे coin टा को आमे 5 थर toss करिवा. So first toss रो जो result आसीबो, head आसी पारे नले tail आसी पारिबो. से result second toss आउ थर जदि मु toss करिव that is independent. Second toss रो जो result that is independent of first. Third toss रो जो result आसीबो head or tail that is independent of first and second. Fourth toss रो जो result आसीबो head or tail that is independent of first three toss. Or suppose fifth toss तार जो result आसीबो head आसी पारे और tail आसी पारे that is independent of first four toss results. So every pair factors, every toss result is independent of other pairs. That is called as independent assortment. Independent माने कौन? Not dependent. So each paired factor separation is independent of other pairs. This is what the law of independent assortment show. During gamete production, pair factors will separate. The separation of pair factors of each character is independent of others. Is independent means not dependent, independent of others. This is independent. This part is clear. And now when the gamete will fuse, when the gamete will combine, when fertilization is there, fertilization से कौन हुए? ये gamete reunite हुए. Gamete production से कौन अब factor separation. Fertilization से कौन अब factor unitions, reunion of the factors. So ये जो reunion हवा, that reunion is random. Okay. So कोई भी factor, कोई भी character आउ का सहित आसी पर that is not dependent. Is it clear? So we can note that point. During fertilization, factors present in gamete, factors that are present in gamete combine with each other, combine randomly. Okay, this is what independent assortment. So ये जो law टा एटा को क्रॉस रो आसला. This third law of the Mendel that is derived from, it is a dihybrid cross. So ये law टा कोड आसला from a dihybrid cross. तो से पॉइंट को हम नोट करिवा. This law is derived from result of dihybrid cross. So dihybrid cross रो result रू ये लोटा derive हैला. Okay, dihybrid cross माने कौन? When two characters are combined, two parents I will select that differs in two characters. यदि गोटे character भितरे cross होता है that is monohybrid cross. Mono means one, di means two. When plants differ from each other with two different characters, and the cross in between these two parent with two characters, that is dihybrid cross. So dihybrid cross रो जो results आसेला ताकू नहीं कौन है थर्ड लॉ मेंडल देले मेंडल postulated the third postulates the third law from the result of dihybrid crush. Okay, and this law is called as independent assortment. So here law रे भी किसी deviation होची. It is not universal law. This law is having deviations. It is not universal. You can note that point. This law is not universal law. So all the scientists are not accepting this law. It has some exception. So only one law which is universal, that is your second law or law of segregation. So this third law, this law is not universal. So ये law टा कौन है universal नुहा कौन पाए? Why this is not universal? Because it has some deviations. This law has some deviations. It is not accepted by all the scientists. So it has some deviation. यार जो deviations आसिला तार examples कौन आसिला? Linkage. Okay, this is linkage. Linkage माने कौन? जदि गोटे क्रोमोसोम रे बहुत सारा जीन अछंती. We all know chromosomes are the carrier of genes. A single chromosome containing several number of genes. And during gamete productions, these genes are not separated from each other. They pass from parents to offspring as it is. Okay. So see the genes अछंती गोटे क्रोमोसोम रे they saw linkage. And these genes are called as linked genes. Linked genes has a tendency to stay together. They don't want to separate from each other. So that is why the linked genes will not show independent assortment. So से टाइम रे कौन थला क्रोमोसोम रो डिस्कवरी हेइ नथिला. So Mendel consider करले कि all characters are controlled by discrete units, that is factors, and factors are independent. So factors will segregate. Factors will show independent assortment. जदि से factors जदि से genes गोटे क्रोमोसोम रे थाए, they will never show independent assortment. They will show linkage. Okay. So explanation of the third law. Third law हम explanation नवा को cross root आसिला from a dihybrid cross. So again derived from a dihybrid cross. Dihybrid माने कौन? Two characters at the same time. Dihybrid means cross between two characters or cross between two plants with two characters at same time. Theta different characters ऊपर हमें study करेगा at the same time. ठीक है जी. तो एक examples हमें नहीं पारिबा. So examples हमें नहीं दिलो. So the plant with round yellow. Round is the shape of the seed and yellow is the color of the seed. Crossed with a plant having green color and wrinkled shape. Green color and wrinkled shape. Okay. It cross ହେଇଥିଲା. Round yellow ର କଣ genotype ଥିଲା? This is round yellow. Crossed with wrinkled and green. ना आंको भितर जो F1 टा आसिला F1 रे कौन कॉम्बिनेशन आसुला? So all the plants again round and yellow character. So in F1 generation the plant will show only the dominant characters. So these are my parents. This is my F1. F1 रे कौन आसला? All plants with round shape and yellow color. Round shape with yellow color. So ये प्लांट को जते बेला में सेल्फिंग करूथिले कौन रिजल्ट्स आसतला में नोट करिवा. So एटा गोटे कौन हबो? It is a dihybrid. It is my F1 dihybrid. This is F1 dihybrid. ako selfing kala pare kon results asutula? What will be the phenotypic ratio? What will be the genotypic ratio? It gamete ketata baharibo? 2 to the power 2, that is 4. Gamete is 2 to the power 4. So नाउ F2 रेशियो टा हमें नोट करबा साकू जदी F1 को सेल्फिंग करबा हमें कोन पाइबा वी विल गेट योर F2 जनरेशन F2 जनरेशन रे कोन जीनोटाइपिक रेशियो फिनोटाइपिक रेशियो आस्तला हमें देखिबा सो सेल्फिंग ऑफ F1 डाइहाइब्रिड selfing of F1 dihybrid to get F2 dihybrids. So it is selfing of F1 dihybrid. तो यार कैरेक्टर कौन थिला राउंड येलो तो याकू जिते बेला में सेल्फिंग कले we will get 4 types of plants in the F2 generation. 4 types of plants will get. So, गोटे combination कौन देवो yellow round आउ गोटे combination हमें पाई थिलु yellow एटा कौन wrinkled आस्थिला third possible combination green round ro combination गुटे आसला then this is the fourth possible combination green as well as wrinkled green and wrinkled what is the phenotypic ratio हमें देखिबा ये जो चारटा different types of plant आसला ता भितर देखो येलो राउंड ता हमें पेरेंट्स रे नहीं थिले दिस इज माय पेरेंटल कैरेक्टर ग्रीन wrinkled ता हमें पेरेंट प्लांट रे नहीं थिले सो एटा गुटे हला माय पेरेंटल कैरेक्टर These are two my parental characters. Yellow wrinkled, green round, eta में parent नहीं नथिलु. So this is a new combination of characters that we are getting in the up to generations. So, ये जो दिटा नुआ character आसला, it is new combination. बात आपको मैं कोई परिवा recombinant types. So, the parental character नो आटा में नहीं नथिलु. So इटा कौन है जी वो? It is a recombinant character. This is my recombinant character. Phenotypic ratio कितने बाहर थिला? येलो राउंड कतड़ा आस्तेला 9 out of 16 येलो wrinkled कतड़ा बाहर थिला 3 out of 16 green round 3 out of 16 and green and wrinkled that is 1 out of 16 so out of 16 F2 offsprings 9 offsprings are with yellow and round parental character 3 offsprings are yellow and wrinkled, that is new combination in the offsprings, which is not parental character. So, it is 3 out of 16, yellow round, recombinant characters, new characters. And 3 out of 16, that is green round, it is again new character, recombinant character, so which is not parental character. Last green and wrinkled, it is a parent, it is a parental character. How much? That is only 1 out of 16. So, if we add what is the number of parental character and what is the number of recombinant characters. Calculate kariba parental ketada asila parental kon it is 9 plus 1 9 plus 1 that is your 10 recombinant ketada asila 3 plus 3 that is 6 out of 16 this is 10 out of 16. So out of 16 offsprings, 10 are parental characters. And out of 16, 6 is the new characters or recombinant characters. So, it is a phenotypic ratio. So, आपको जो हमें देखिए कि जितने बड़ा हमें कोई डाइहाइब्रिड नो चु डाइहाइब्रिड मींस टू मोनोहाइब्रिड्स. तो दीटा मोनोहाइब्रिड्स को नहीं किरे कोई डाइहाइब्रिड हुए. दीटा कैरेक्टर हमें नहीं चु कौन कैरेक्टर नहीं चु. The first character is my seed shape. Seed shape गोटे कैरेक्टर तार पॉसिबल कौन अच्छी तार ट्रेड कौन अच्छी seed shape may be round or it may be wrinkled. So good second character हमें नहीं थिलो कोन that is your seed color. Seed color रे भी दिरा trait थिले yellow or green. तबे दीटा मोनो हाइब्रिड को नहीं किरा हमें गोटे डाई हाइब्रिड बनेलु. मोनो हाइब्रिड क्रॉस रे जो फेनोटाइपिक रेशियो आसुतला that is 3:1 ratio. Okay, so एठी हमें चेक करबा मोनो हाइब्रिड रेशियो टा कोन रेशियो टा वायलेट होउची कि नहीं. So this is a mono hybrid that is yellow and green. And round and wrinkle it is another monohybrids. So गोटे concept हमें नबा कि total round केतड़ा आसुची total yellow केतड़ा आसुची. यदि हमें नबा total number of round seed केतड़ा आसला then my wrinkled seed केतड़ा आसुची. So round calculate करिवा आमे round कोडी अछि देखिवा एटी गुड राउंड अछि that is 9 आउ गुटी कोड राउंड अछि round this is round that is your 3 round is 3 so round 9 plus 3 it is how much 12 this part is clear and wrinkle calculate the number of wrinkle here wrinkle code अछि this is wrinkle 3 आउ कोड wrinkle अछि again wrinkle that is 1 so 3 plus 1 how much 4 so wrinkle is 3 plus 1 that is 4 this part is clear so round versus wrinkle dominant versus recessive ratio kata asibo round is to wrinkle ro jo ratio ta asila 12 out of 16 is to 4 out of 16 आउ टिके जदि आको आमे इजी करेबा 12 आउट ऑफ 16 को जदि आमे आको जदि काटी देबा कते बाहरिबो हियर 3:4 ओके तो 4 रे डिवाइड करले 3 इट इज 4 3/4 एटी कते आसी 4 रे डिवाइड करले 1/4 दिस इज 1/4 दिस इज 1/4 सो रेशियो कते ही गला 3:1 3:1 टा कार रेशियो दिस इज माय phenotypic ratio of monohybrid F2 generation the monohybrid cross रे F2 generations रो जो phenotypic ratio टा आसुतला टा केते आसुतला 3:1 आउट कैरेक्टर को हम नबाडी आउट कैरेक्टर हम कोन दी जो ग्रीन वर्सेस दैट इज येलो ग्रीन एंड येलो ताको हम लिखिबा केतरा आस ग्रीन येलो सो हियर येलो इज माय डोमिनेंट येलो केतडा आसुची ग्रीन केतडा बाहर जे हमें कैलकुलेट करबा येलो कोडी अछि येलो 9 आ कोडी येलो अछि दिस इज येलो 3 सो 9 plus 3 this is again 12 green कोडी अछि देखिबा there is green 3 and here one green plus 1 that is 3 plus 1 4 green how much 3 plus 1 that is 4 so ratio केते बाहरिबो yellow is to green ratio केते बाहरिबो 12 out of 16 is to 4 out of 16 again divide कला पर केते आसला 3/4 is to 1/4 or 3:1 again it is your F2 phenotypic ratio of the monohybrid cross so monohybrid cross रो जो F2 phenotypic ratio टा आसला 3:1 so it is same ratio आसु no deviations yellow green भितर ratio आसला 3:1 it is one monohybrid cross एठी कोन आसला round wrinkle रो ratio again 3:1 that is monohybrid cross तो जेतेटा भी paired factors को नेकरी क्रॉस करा जाऊ the result is not affected so each character it has its own ratio that means all the factors are separated from each other independently so our result जो 3:1 ratio it is independent of my other character that is also 3:1 so this is what called as independent assortment so each toss or each paired factor separate from each other independently so season सोटा में नोट करि परिबा the result of each paired factor is independent तो जेति की भी paired factors निया जावे एठी मोटे डाई हाइब्रिड नहीं दिल तमे ट्राई हाइब्रिड नहीं परिबो टेट्रा हाइब्रिड नहीं परिबो n नंबर ऑफ हाइब्रिड्स नियो नो प्रॉब्लम बट प्रत्येक paired factors ratio 3:1 आसीबो and each paired factor is independent of other pair factor that is called as independent assortment this part is clear so एबे हमें आर किछि डेविएशंस को डिस्कस करिवा कोन कोन डेविएशन आसला फ्रॉम दिस थर्ड लॉ but in the next class okay so stay tuned so thank you so much in the next class we will be discussing about different deviations of the third law that is law of independent assortment thank you so much